Hello, welcome to lecture 4. Yeah, we're on 4 already. Wow, I don't know how that happened, but welcome. This question is actually lecture 3 material, but a very good practice problem, so we're gonna go for it. We're translating this sentence that has a lot of moving parts in it, but that's okay. Just take it one part at a time, we'll get through it. First, there is a person. Well, we can deal with that. We're gonna need an exists X. Now, just because the words there exists or there is a person are at the beginning of the sentence does not mean that the exists X will necessarily be at the front of our answer. It might be true, but we don't know that for sure, so always something to keep in mind. Okay, next part of the sentence, this person is in this class. Well, we were given a predicate for that, so we're going to have to deal with that with the predicate later on. And then we get the words, all of whose friends. And that sounds like something important for our quantifiers. And these friends are friends of X. So this is going to have to come after X. Else how can we talk about X's friends? We need X first, then for all Y, something's going to happen. Okay, moving through the rest of this problem, we need all of these Y's to be friends, they need to be in this class, and they better be getting A's if they're friends in the class. Okay, rest of these, dealing with predicates. So we're done with the quantifiers. Knocked those out. And now let's start with the first circle. This person X, this special person, better be in this class. Like, we need to deal with this first bubble. And you may or may not remember from lecture 3, we talked about when we have an exists and we want to almost restrict the domain or change the scope. Right now, the exists X is just all people, but we only want to be talking about someone in this class. And when we want to do that, we use and. And we can almost write this in the sentence and it would make sense. There is a person in this class, and all of this person's friends in this class will get A's. Those are two properties that need to be true. So, C of X and. Okay, now we need to deal with making these Y's. So you also may or may not remember, lecture 3 talked about the same idea if you want to change the scope. With predicates, the operator is going to be implies. Right now, the scope of Y is just everybody. That's the domain, all people, for all Y. But we only want for all Y who are friends in this class. So first off, we better make sure they're friends with Y, and they need to be in this class. And then we restrict it to the circle we want, and all of these people better be getting A's. So this gives us our final answer, but there is another way to write this. We did kind of two restrictions on Y. We first said we care about all friends of X, and then we cared about all friends of X in this class. And we could split that up and say, if X and Y are friends, then if Y is in this class, then Y better be getting an A. And this is another totally valid way of writing this problem.